Hey, my humble fam. Unbox with me these pillowcases that I bought from Amazon. I can honestly say that the pillowcases came out really nice, and we all know that when you buy those pillows in the store, they are a lot. Do you hear me? A lot, and it's just for two. So I went on Amazon because I was going with some blacks and golds for my living room, and I came across these and the price was really good. Of course, I will leave the link in the description so that you can see where, well, not see where I purchased them. I just said I got them from Amazon, but you'll be able to click and buy them if you like. This is the first pillowcase that I'm opening up. Again, the material is very nice. It's definitely going to leave that nice and elegant look, when you're just trying to switch up just so that you can still have nice pillows on your couch for the holidays that bring some little extra cheer to the home, like how this one says, let it snow. And they all say a little something, either let it snow, Merry Christmas, and it has all the little designs. So I'm not going to talk long. I'm just going to let you guys check out these pillows. There you go. Now on this part, I did run across quite a few strings on this particular pillow, but it was no strings to whereas, you know how you look at it where if you cut it or you pull it or something like that, like the pillowcases kind of fall apart. That really wasn't the case. I just took some shears and did a couple little snips and they were off. Well, I don't remember if I did it on camera, but I did do it afterwards. And the pillows were still in great condition. So you have your little issues here and there with certain things, but the pillows were still definitely worth it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm not sure what happened, why I didn't open up the last pillowcase on here. Something must be happening with the video, or I don't know. But there is one more pillowcase in here. It does come as a set of 4. And I hope you enjoy it. Have a happy holiday.